Good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. It's the same day you saw me in the last video. I guess at the end of last video. Anyway, I am going to go to IKEA to pick up some Christmas decorations and some things to cozy up the living room. Make it nice and, you know, just warm and inviting. And we're going to grab the Christmas tree from downstairs. We're going to do a little decorating. We're going to love on our home for the winter season. Make it look nice and cozy. Anyway, here's the unit in the daytime. Looks pretty cute, I think. So, yeah, we're gonna maybe get something to hang there. I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it for now, but because I kind of want to center it a little bit. I don't know. That's a blank wall now. But, I don't know. It looks pretty cute. It's got a little Roaring Rabbit look to it a little bit. So, I don't know. I'm proud of it. Nice DIY project. And I hooked up a Click and Grow, to grow some herbs and little edible foods this winter. Full disclosure, a company did send me this, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm waiting for things to grow. So far, I really like it. It's like very futuristic. There's water at the bottom of this reservoir, and hopefully in a few months we'll have some plants to eat. Anyway, I'm gonna go to IKEA now, and we're gonna decorate for Christmas. Yay! Okay, so I have made it to IKEA. It's about 10, so they like just opened, so hopefully there won't be that many people here. My main goal is to get this ottoman in my cart before they all sell out. I think there's like 8 left, but otherwise we can kind of look around a little bit. I want to keep my visit brief, like 30 minutes. I don't want to be like in there for an hour, so I'm gonna put a timer on, gonna put some music on and have some fun getting some Christmas decorations and some home stuff for our not so new but new home. So I'll see you when we get out. I might shoot a little bit in IKEA, but maybe not, because I know they're playing a lot of copyright music. All right, bye. All right, this is what I came here for, and yeah, I like it. I'm definitely gonna pick up one of these if I can find where it's stored. Oh my gosh, it's so cozy. I love it. This tray. I might have to get this tray for it. I wonder if it fits on the thing. Ooh, it does fit.
Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm.
I got back from IKEA like maybe 20 minutes ago. I just took a quick shower, put some makeup on, just so I could feel fresh. But we're gonna decorate. Very excited. I put the little the thing I went there for out, and I think it looks pretty cute. It's just there temporarily because we did order some real actual coffee tables, so when the coffee tables arrive, this can go downstairs to be the downstairs coffee table, but now it's just a storage ottoman with, you know, a top where you can put things, you know, your cup of coffee or whatever. Probably gonna order something to put on top, like a little, I don't know, like a round tray or something, like a nice acrylic tray, so it doesn't take away from the look of it. But I think it's very cute. It's the perfect size, and I really like it. Plus it has our little cozies inside. Right, Clover? But not you, even though you're a cozy. And I went absolutely bananas at IKEA. By the way, I did the IKEA shop, like what's this? Shop and click and shop. Shop and go, that's what it's called. Shop and go, where you can scan all these items on your phone and then just check out really quickly. And you know what, I have to say, it's well done. It was very fun. So I got all of these things. Clover's very curious. I got a bunch of lights. I think these are like battery operated lights. And I got some candles, candle holders. We got some string. We got some star decorations. Oh, I got a star for the top of the tree. We got some garland. And I got this vase. And realized I don't have any flowers to put in this vase. But you know, we're gonna admire it anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna get some food really quick because I have not eaten today, and then we're gonna decorate. Good times.
Little things that I
dumb little tree so much. There's no lights on it. We had to take the lights off last year because they were broken, but we got new lights. But look at her. It's just so cute. It's so cute. Come on. It's super cute. And like from here, like the vibes are it's very cute. It's so cute. Stop. Like I love that little tree. She's never, you know what? I'm keeping it forever. I don't even care. So people were, my comments were like, you gonna get a bigger tree? And I was like, yeah, maybe. You know what? No. That's my love right there. I love her.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be our light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you.
Okay, I am done making our living room extra cozy. I can't wait until evening when it's dark and we can take advantage of all of the magic from the sparkly lights. I got this from IKEA and they're so cute. They're like little leaves. They were like 10 bucks, which I think is kind of expensive for IKEA, but I mean, it's Christmas. And I think this turned out pretty cute. I don't plan on burning those candles. I just plan on looking at them, but I think this turned out really wonderful. It's like an IKEA wonderland here. I got this garland from IKEA as well, and these guys are just so cute. One's a moose and one is a little ram, I think, so they're adorable and I love them. And I still have these little jingle bells from previous year. I think I got these in like 2017 or something. So they're super fun. And of course the trees from Target. We love those. Those are classic. I like the way that this is making the room feel. We've got a nice fire going. And I can't wait to decorate the tree. I think that's going to be for the next vlog. I might fix the lights a little. It looks a little janky. But for now, we've got a super cozy living room. Oh, I put some stockings up there where they were already picture hangers, so I don't know, I just figured I'd take advantage, but I think that looks really cozy and fun. Alright, when my husband gets off work, we will probably decorate the tree and have dinner and just enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this decorating the house vlog. I enjoyed getting my house ready for the holiday season on time, December 1st. Hey, I'm not late this year. Alright, I will see you all in the next one. Take care of yourselves and the ones around you. Bye.